Welcome back. It's time now for the Financial Week. Lottery company Supreme Ventures ended its second quarter with a slight increase in profit. For the 3-month period ended June, net profit was $630 million. That was $3.5 million higher than the post-tax earnings for the same period last year. Total ticket sales for the quarter amounted to $28.3 billion, a 21.3% increase over the same period 2021. Supreme Ventures made $12.8 billion in gaming income, a $1.91 billion improvement. The company says this was driven by lottery sales with strong performances from cashpot and instant games. Net remittances to Jamaica declined in May. The Bank of Jamaica says remittance inflows were valued at $271.2 million, a 6.7% reduction compared to last year. Total net remittance inflows for January to May amounted to $1.3 billion. That was $38 million or 3% lower when compared to the same period in 2021. The U.S. remained the main source market for remittance inflows, with 70.7% of funds coming from that jurisdiction. Septimus Bob Blake has been re-elected as the president of the Jamaica Bankers Association, JBA. Mr. Blake, who is CEO of National Commercial Bank, NCB, was reappointed at the JBA's annual general meeting yesterday. President and CEO of Scotia Group, Jamaica, Audley Tugwell Henry, has been appointed as vice president. She joins on the executive Eva Lewis, country officer and corporate bank head of Citibank Jamaica, as treasurer of the JBA, and Nigel Holness, managing director of CIBC First Caribbean International Bank Jamaica, as honorary secretary. Now, the JBA says the key areas of focus for the new term will be supporting and driving financial inclusion, public education, consumer protection, and cybersecurity. The U.S. currency is being sold for an average $153.40. $123.77 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $185 for the pound, and $159.01 for the euro. The JSE index declined by 3,266 points today, while the junior market index fell by 14 points. Among the advances were 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, Graded Jamaica, SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, JMMB Group 7.5%, and Main Event Entertainment Group. Among the decliners were Portland JSX, Stationery and Office Supplies, Supreme Ventures, ISP Finance Services, and First Rock Real Estate Investments. And that's the Financial Week.